Hello and welcome, my name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to foil on black cardstock to create beautiful gold foil invitation cards using Inkscape, a laser printer, and a laminator. I'll guide you through each step to design elegant invitations that shimmer with a touch of gold, ideal for wedding, parties, or any special event. I'm going to go ahead and start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. I'm going to start with the design using the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you don't have Inkscape, I invite you to visit their website inkscape.org and download it. And don't worry, it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you how to design an invitation card. If you already have your design, upload it to the Inkscape canvas and skip to the printing process. Click on the square and draw a rectangle on the Inkscape canvas. Click on the top arrow, go to the size bar above, change it to inches, open the lock, and type the measurements. This one is going to be a 5 by 7 inches. Click on the lock to lock it. Using the color palette below, I'm going to change it to white. Now here I'm going to start typing the text. I'm going to click on the A, then click on the canvas and start typing. It's on white, but I'm going to change it to black. And to change the font, click on the T on the right, scroll down until you find the font of your choice. I'm going to be using this one that is called Adorable. I got it from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Now I'm going to keep on adding text. This is a beautiful font, and what I like about it is that it has the option to add glyph. Now to add glyph, if you have a Windows computer, you're going to need character Map UWP, and if you are using a Mac, you're going to need font book. I am using my Mac, so I'm going to use font book. Once on character map or font book, you're going to look for the same font that you're using on Inkscape. I am using Adorable, so I'm going to open that one. I'm going to scroll down all the way until I find the glyph that I need to use. Then I'm going to select it, then copy, go back to Inkscape, and paste it. That easy is to add glyph to fonts. Now this glyph gets out of the white area. I'm going to go to Path, then I'm going to click on Object to Path. I'm going to click on the magnifying glass to make it as big as I can. Then I'm going to click on the second arrow and I'm going to click on top and bottom, always on the white line. Then I'm going to select the dots that are outside the white area and erase them. Now click on the little circles that are outside the white area and put them right on the edge. To make the canvas smaller, just click on the minus symbol or on the minus on your keyboard. I'm going to keep on adding text. I'm going to add a line below, so I'm going to click on the square and draw the line, a very thin line. Now I'm going to align the text. I'm going to select the text that I need to align. Then I'm going to go to the right to click on this icon that has these bars and align it to the center. The one on top, I'm just going to leave it like that. Now we can print it like that if you wish, but we can also add more designs on top or bottom. I'm going to click on File, then Import, and I'm going to insert a flower silhouette. Open, and here you're going to click OK. This is a big image because it's on high resolution. I'm going to resize it to 3 inches. Now I'm going to place it inside the white area. Now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it, and I'm going to cut some pieces to put them on the bottom. I think I'm just going to cut the leaves. To do that, I'm going to click on the circle. I'm going to place the circle on the area that I wish to cut. I'm going to select both layers, the circle and the flower, right click, and set clip. Now I have the leaves here ready to put on the card. I might resize and rotate. And also I'm going to duplicate it to place another one on the other side. I'm going to do the same with the one on the top. I'm going to erase the areas that are outside the white area. There it is. We're going to place it on the corner. This is just an example. You can add other details to the cards if you wish. Now it's ready. Now select all of it, right click and group so it doesn't move. Now we are going to select it and duplicate it so we can print 2 on the same page. Now to print, we need to place them on the white area. Whatever is on the white area is going to be printed. Now, if the white canvas has a different size, go to File, Document Properties, and select the size you wish to print. I'm going to select letter size and on orientation landscape. I'm going to close the window, and this is ready to be printed. But before, I'm going to show you how to save it on your computer. Go to the right, then click on this envelope with this arrow over here. Make sure it's on 300 dpi. Then click on the folder below, name it, and save it. Now you already have it on your computer, so you can print it when you need it. Also, if you don't have a laser printer, you can send it to printer to somewhere else and then come back to your house and apply the foil. Now to print, go to File, select the laser printer, then go to Page Setup, and here you're going to select cardstock or thick paper. Click on Print, and let's go to the printer. To print these cards, we need cardstock. I am using Black Cardstock. This one is 80 pounds. I'm going to link it in the video description below. To print these cards, we're going to need a laser printer. I am using my old Dell printer. I don't know if this one's still on the market, but I'm going to link an alternative in the video description below. Now we're going to cut the cards using a guillotine. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the foil. We're going to fold a copy paper in half, and we're going to place the card on one side. Then we're going to cut a piece of foil. This is reactive foil. I am using mink reactive foil. I'm going to link it below in the description. This one is the one that best works for me. Now I'm going to pass it through a laminator or a foil machine. I have the Mink mini foil machine and a laminator. I'm going to use both to show you. But first I'm going to use the Mink mini foil machine and I'm going to preheat it on number 3. I'm going to preheat the laminator also on the top setting. When the light is green, it means it's ready. So we're going to pass it through the machine. And it's ready. Now we're going to see how it turned out. It's gorgeous. It has great coverage. And this is using the Mink mini foil machine. Now I'm going to use the laminator. It's ready. It's green. Let's see how this one turned out using the laminator. It's gorgeous too. There is no difference. I love it. They look very elegant, beautiful. They are perfect for wedding invitations, thank you notes, birthday cards, etc. The same way you can foil on white cardstock or any other color. This one is white. Look how beautiful it looks. Personally, I love the black ones. If you would like to learn how to make gold foil stickers to close the envelopes, I invite you to look for my previous tutorial. I think it's a beautiful presentation to your envelopes. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to foil on black cardstock using Inkscape, laser printer, laminator, or Mink foil machine. If you like this video, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.